Good morning again. I'm getting all packed up, ready to go again, and I can tell you how good it feels to wake up with some sun, finally. There's some clouds in the mountains over there, but I am assuming I will be able to avoid those. I'm going to gore-tex. I have no idea how to pronounce it today. First, let's find some breakfast, because it seems like everything is closed in this area still, even this morning. Yeah, let's go. Really bad. It's almost 30 kilometers per hour, and it's not supposed to get better this evening. Anyway, I found a hotel nearby and I'm gonna go check if they have a room, because I'm literally scared of dropping the bike. I don't wanna. No, I'm done for today. Let's see if I can find a place to stay. I got lucky. They had a room free. I already made a mess, as you can See? Take a look at this view. The weather is perfect except for the wind, but at least I can go for a walk and enjoy the sun on 2 feet instead of 2 wheels. It's not the preferred way, but hey, but I don't see a point driving when I'm not enjoying it. If it's because of rain or because of the wind or whatever reason, there's no reason pushing it if you're not enjoying it. That's my opinion. Have a good evening, guys.